Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Ryobi 18 volt 1 system, chemistry in vehicle charger. So this is a charger, a regular charger that plugs into your vehicle cigarette lighter 12 volts. There's mixed reviews out there. Some people said, you know, this is a great charger. Some people have been saying that they almost burnt their car down. I only heard that from one person, but most of them are pretty happy with this. I think that if you leave this pretty much on your vehicle all day or for an excessive time with the battery inside charging, I think then you will have some problems with this. But if you just leave it, you know, for a few hours, once it's maybe for an hour or 2 hours, once the battery is charged, you should be okay. I mean, I think that's what's going on with the people that are saying that they almost burned their car down. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing here. We got P131. That is the I guess the model number. Let's see anything else. It says here's guarantee 3 years. Charges on 1+ batteries, lithium or NiCd or NiCad. Does have a 90-day free no risk satisfaction guarantee. So I guess you can return this to Home Depot or wherever you bought this. If you bought it on Amazon, it is $39.97 at Home Depot. That's how much it was. Pretty much that's it. So first of all, we got some instructions here. Obviously we're gonna read all of them. You know, we're gonna read all this book right now. Just kidding. I'll probably bore you guys if I read this. Anyways, nobody reads these manuals, but I'll leave it there in case I run into something. This is the bottom part of the charger. It does have like some sort of mount system. You could put a couple screws in the wall and just mount it. And it does have a lot of ventilation, as you can see. Ventilation here, ventilation here. I would recommend you guys put this in maybe a flat surface, not carpet, not, you know, somewhere where this thing might can circulate some air. It does have a pretty long cable. I would say this cable is about 3.5 feet. So I just did take the measurements with it. You got the charger here. You got a lot of ventilation here. I'm pretty sure it should be okay. It says warning, risk of injury, electric shock, fire and damage. Refer to operator's manual for size, type and number of batteries to be charged. Other batteries may burst. You got Ryobi 1 in vehicle charger. You got a truck right there. It says charges all 18 volt and 1+ batteries packs. Charges as in different languages. It says power on. The red means power on. It says testing, flashing red. That's what testing is. Defective is flashing red and flashing yellow. Charging is solid red and flashing yellow. And charged battery, it is solid yellow. You got Ryobi on the front, and a really nice. It's actually pretty big. You know, I thought it was gonna be smaller, but I have a battery here. You can see how big the battery is and how big is the charger. So if you're familiar with Ryobi batteries, yeah, I'll put this aside like that. So see, that's how big this thing is. Not a bad thing, because you know you want more air cooled and all that. So we'll try this out at the at the vehicle, see how it works, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, we're here at the vehicle. We do have this charger here. Let's see here if we can, sorry guys about the movement. We'll plug it in. I already put a battery in here so you guys could see. So let's try this out. Got a cigarette lighter here. So you can see it is charging. It flashed red first, and then solid red and flashing green. So that means we're charging. I couldn't tell you exactly how long this battery is going to take to charge, because I don't know how much battery left is in there. So it doesn't have the, sorry guys, a car passing by. But yeah, I don't have a meter on this battery, so I have no way of knowing how much battery is in there. But we'll leave it running there for a little bit, and we'll see if it gets real hot or if we got any problems, and we'll go from there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.